that thing gonna be to drain this oil out. I don't know why it's clicking. I ain't never had mine click. And go. Nice fresh oil here. I think that's because you gotta keep cleaning it out or adding to it. I mean, go. See, right now we are at 1 quart. So it had 3 quarts in there. That's pretty bad. But the oil is nice and fresh. I think it had that little bit in it because she said last time she filled it was Saturday, and judging how the weekend it leaks out a lot on a daily. So, but 3 quarts not bad. And no, I'm not being gentle with this oil pan because it's gonna get changed. In before you put anything else in, because it will get hard to get out if you do not. It will be hard to put back in if you do not. I think I can do it from the top. I think I take this out from the top. I can do it from the bottom too, but it's easier from the top. The engine mount actually needs to be changed. It's very loose. Shouldn't be that loose. I just actually changed mine like a month or 2 ago. But that ain't supposed to be, ouch, ain't supposed to be that loose. Should be barely moving. Okay. Now I got one more bolt to remove on. Let me find it. I don't know what I did with it. This. Alright, one more bolt to remove on this cooler. I did this one last because the 2 top ones are a little harder to get out, so in order to be able to hand thread it, I just left this one in here for now. Okay, cool. This thing does sit behind it, so you have to remove this little wire thing. I pretty much got all the bolts along this side. I got a few left. Got 1, 2 left on this side, and I gotta do the back side, and I gotta do this front side. Then I should be able to get this thing out of here. Just got a lot better at doing this than I used to be. Removing this pin a little easier. Need a longer wrench. And this thing's still stuck in there, okay. And they do say this is different. These are different bolts, I've heard. the same way they came out. Hopefully I can keep it like this. So this is the far one, this is the next far one. It's one of these back ones that are different. And then two of these back ones. I think it's those last two I just took out. Alright, the rest of these don't matter. Okay. It should be able to stay like that, I believe. Right, got a few more in here I need to get out. Can save that one. Got two more right there I need to get out. Alright, I'm gonna jack this up all the way that I can. I'm gonna try to get this oil pan out. Pretty much the highest it'll go. This last screw is already just ready to fall. So you know it's bad, it ain't even sticking. It's just trying to come out. So the trick part is trying to squeeze it through here. It ain't that hard, but just gotta keep working it. I can never remember the exact way to load it, but don't be that scared of the pan. It ain't gonna just crack. It's a pretty strong pan. There we go. Now we just gotta bring it down. Careful this front side, these timers they do like kind of catch on it. Really nothing you can do about that, honestly. See what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, we gotta get it past that front timing guide again. We gotta bring it down. There we go. Just get it past it. A little bit more. We should have enough room. I usually don't do it with the wood, but it might be why. The wood might be blocking a little bit. There we go. Let me see if I can take just a little bit more. Okay, that's the absolute max. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I just need to get this wood out the way, I think. I think the wood is just too thick. Gotta jack it up without the wood. definitely back in. Do I? There we go. There we go. Whew. And there we have it. The oil pan. Yeah, it's really not that hard. There's a couple of things you really just need to move, get out the way. Why don't you do that? Easy. What time is it? 2:08. Got here like at 12 something. Not bad. Yeah, like an hour and 30 it took me to get off. Yeah, so that was pretty easy. I love how clean the oil pickup tube is. No metal shavings, no plastic guys in the oil pan. Just a nice clean engine. And yeah, it's definitely, once again, the oil pan that's leaking. I don't see no oil behind on the flywheel or nothing like that. So definitely just a bad oil pan gasket. And then I'm gonna see how hard the gasket is. I mean, I know it's hard because, like I said, the oil pan literally just fell off. I ain't even had to force it off or nothing. That gasket wasn't sealing at all. Definitely past due to be changed. But that's okay. She kept her engine full of oil, so it didn't nothing in here. Never just low. You could tell it never was low. Engine was clean still. The Tommy guy not messed up or nothing. These ones, these newer ones, so these do a lot better than the old ones. So the old one probably have all kind of gasket material or plastic guys in the oil pan. Alright, let's see. See, I already know it's pretty hard. Okay, that's still rubber because that's wasn't in there for real. But we need to be looking at this back, this side right here. This was the bad side. This thing feel like a brick. But it's coming off though. It ain't tearing. You know, it's really not that bad. It's kind of crazy. For as long as it's been on there, you would think it would be a lot worse. That's actually not that bad. Kind of impressed. But it was leaking bad though. Pour this in here because I need to get gotta take this oil thing off. Alright, we need to take this back piece off that I gotta remove because it's broken. It broke off right there. Got a new piece already. Since I don't have my screwdriver, I'm gonna go ahead and just disconnect it from here and put it in there. I ain't gonna be able to tighten it in the car. These things love to break, so really no surprise. Like this whole little piece right there snapped off. She'll be like this, but it done came off of there. I saw that the other day when I was looking at the oil leak. I was like, oh, you need one of these too. Okay then, there we go. Man, it really is a tight fit. Ah, there we go. This. Let's see, did the gas come out with this one? It did, I think. I'll make sure right quick. Oh yeah, gas definitely came out with it. Get up in here, on here and look. Make sure the gasket. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah. Alright. Just put it in there. I'm gonna insert it from below. Got the bolt right there. It's like a little, oh yeah, it's fitted in. Perfect. Put this on here, it's a little 10mm. It's kind of hard to get on here. Alright. Okay. A little easier than I thought. Put this up through here and it should be straight. Okay. Fit this in here and then get back to the oil pan. Do not break this line because they load a brake. Just thought about that, so I'm gonna do this another way. Alright, my side mission is complete. I got those taken care of. I can put this in. And got some stuff in it, so let's clean it back out. I don't even know what this stuff is. Okay. That is good.